Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project and assets. Create or open a Godot project and a new 2D scene. Once done, import your background images or tilesets into a dedicated folder so you can reference them quickly. Make sure textures are set to the correct import flags, filtering, repeat, and mip maps, because they change how the background scales. Then add a base node for the scene. Choose node 2D or Control depending on whether you want UI layering. This gets you ready for the first actionable implementation steps. Now implement the background. Add a sprite for static backgrounds, texture rect for UI-like backgrounds, or parallax background with parallax layer for depth. You assign the texture, enable region or tile if the image repeats, and set expand or stretch to fit the viewport. Once assigned, adjust z-index so foreground elements render above it, and configure anchors or viewports for resolution independence. If using parallax, tweak motion scale to control depth. Smaller values make distant layers move less. Finish by testing the background in play mode and across multiple resolutions. Make sure stretch modes and anchors keep composition intact. Optimize textures by atlasing and adjusting import quality to reduce memory usage, and use compressed formats where acceptable. If the background is parallax and looks wrong, check that the camera 2D is the correct parent or current, and make sure motion scale values are sensible. Tiny negatives or zeros cause unexpected behavior. If visuals still break, re-import textures with different flags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.